Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a domestic animal known for its milk production and gentle nature, often friendly to humans. It can be found on farms and rural areas worldwide, particularly in regions known for dairy and beef production. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as cow. Cow. Here we go again. Cow. Cows are known for their ability to produce large quantities of milk and their significant role in agriculture, providing dairy products, meat, and leather. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about cows, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.